Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Forest River Prism 24 on the Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis. Great little coach. So inside this cute little Mercedes-Benz chassis coach, it's on that Sprinter chassis with that fantastic fuel economy of the Mercedes-Benz diesel engine. We've got one slide on the driver's side, so the patio side is going to be nice and open and give you all the patio room you can ask for. Great separation of space here in the cabin. There's a privacy wall that's going to separate our living room from our bedroom, creating a true bedroom in a short coach. It's really beautiful. Big TV in the right location. I think it's not in the front overhead. It's got all the great features of a bigger coach in a little package. There's so many things I can tell you about this coach. It's one of the few that's actually got an automatic leveling system. Great. Push button awning, push button coach. Great bed, good sized bathroom. It's a little Forest River 24-foot Prism, full body paint. This is a beautiful coach. Thank you. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you. Have a great day.